Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. So 2 disclaimers so far, no 3. I have a cold, so my voice is very croaky and I might cough. You see me definitely excuse myself to cough and things like that, so please pardon me. Disclaimer 1. Disclaimer 2, it's really sunny because I'm facing my window, and so the ray of the sun is just kind of like all over the place. It's a lot of reflection, so please pardon me for that, but I really needed to make this video today. Lastly, I live by the roadside, and so there's a lot of movement, cars back and forth, so you hear a lot of cars moving in the background, so please pardon me. Okay, so those are my 3 disclaimers, and let's get into this. Alright guys, so remember your one-stop shop for skincare ingredients, supplements, and things tailored for you and all of that. So reach out to us and leave our contact in the description box below. Feel free to look through. Okay, so like this thumbnail will say or has said already, we're going to be talking about a new product that's in the market, and a lot of people are hopping into, and today I'm going to be sharing my own review and thoughts about this product. Prior to this, I had already done my research on this brand, because when you go to where you're buying ingredients, your supplier will always tell you, oh, there's this new thing in the market, would you like to try, and things like that. So I've seen it already and I read up on it. Basically, it's just like every other tube, but there's some things about this tube that I like that I will be sharing, and I will be giving away to 3 of my subscribers. I'll be giving this tube to 3 of my subscribers. I will be telling you how you can win one of these tubes for yourself. So it's the Olaybact triple action cream. It's antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. They have pictures here of someone with acne and before and after, and so many things. It is NAFDAC registered. Over here, it's NAFDAC registered, so that's a good thing. It's manufactured by a company in India, but it's marketed in Nigeria because the marketing is really huge in Nigeria. So I'm guessing probably a Nigerian that had this product made in India and is now talking about it, basically. Okay, so this is a pack. It has 12 in it, and each tube costs 30 grams. Okay, so this is how the tube comes. Still has the same thing with antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory triple action cream. Same information on the pack, or if you're buying, this is definitely it. So the first things first is mode of application is to apply on the affected area 2 to 3 times a day with a gentle rub. To be used only under medical supervision. Store in a cool, dry place. That's very true, because the content of this stuff you definitely don't want to use long term. Okay, so we're going to be getting that in a bit. I have my notes here where I've written down my observation and all of that, and in this video I'm going to be sharing my own personal experience using it, because I had an active breakout, so I'm going to leave a picture of my breakout in stages. Okay, but before I do that, let's talk about this thing. So the good thing about this brand is it was obviously tailored for the Nigerian market, like the average Nigerian that's looking into taking care of their skin. This brand was tailored for them. Okay, so all the regular things that we have, such as pimples, dark spots, sunburn, reactions, ringworm, eczema, things like that are very common in our community or in our population. This brand was tailored for that, so kudos to this brand for that. Right, so let's get into the ingredients. It says it composes of betamethasone, dipropionate, clotrimazole, neomycin sulfate, preservative, and cream base, and all of this is in the appropriate range, so that's fine. So let me just go quickly to each of these ingredients. So let's start with the first one, betamethasone diproportionate, diproponate. This is a steroid. I think I'm going to make a video about steroids, because a lot of misconception about steroids, but steroids are not entirely bad. It's how you use it. Okay, so it has anti-inflammatory purposes. Now this is a drug, okay guys, so that's why you need to use it under medical supervision. Okay, but we're in cosmetics, so you have to be wise about it. It's a steroid used for anti-inflammatory purposes. It treats eczema, so that's one thing you can get from this. I do agree with this product that it is triple action because it has anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial properties. So it treats eczema. Okay, the next ingredient here is clotrimazole. This is used to treat vaginal infections. Okay, so you agree with me again that this is indeed a triple action. So like if you have toilet infection or something, this is something that you can definitely use for that area. Okay, it helps with vaginal yeast infections, like I said, such as discharge, itching. You've gone to toilet, you've used the public toilet, you're not itching, you can use it. You can also use it to treat athlete's foot, ringworm, and definitely fungal infections and diaper rash. Okay, so your baby's having diaper rash, you can definitely use this for them because it is antifungal. So clotrimazole is antifungal. Then neomycin is an antibiotic. That's neomycin sulfate is here. It's an antibiotic that is used to prevent or treat infections. Okay, it is not effective against fungal or viral infections. Okay, but this is also, neomycin sulfate is good for scars. It's good for preventing infections. So that's definitely, you can use this when you're mixing your creams to prevent reactions that we get with creams. Okay, so these products, not only are you using it to mix your creams, you can also use it to treat so many other things, not only your creams. All right, now this product, like I said, let's talk about the other side. This is something that you want to use for 5 to 7 days. I will share my picture. This is day 1, the inflammation, then day 2, and then day 3. Okay, so you can see that it has reduced the inflammation, it reduced the size of the inflammation, so you can definitely use this to reduce inflammation. Okay, now this product will possibly work for scars. It will possibly work for scars, but I don't use it for scarring. I use it for the inflammatory purposes. I also use this to mix creams for clients. I'm going to leave a client's review here because there's some things that you get, some reactions you get from meat, like creams. This will help you to prevent that reaction. So I'm going to leave a review up there. So generally, this brand is a very, very good brand. To be very honest, I've done my research, and like I said, I will always try out stuff before I talk about it. So it's been a long time coming, but I didn't want to just hop on here to come and talk. I really wanted to make my research. Okay, so that's it about that. Definitely, if you're a nursing mom, you definitely want to consult your physician, your doctor, before you hop on this, because like I said, this product is a very potent product. Okay, so for example, if you want to mix your cream, of course, how you always, this is 30 grams, so depending on the quantity of cream you're using, if you're using it directly, that's when like the 5 to 7 days applies to you. But if you are using this, you're mixing it in a cream, of course you can use it 1 month, 2 months, you can use it depending on how the size of the cream you're making. Okay, but this is 30 grams, so if you want to use a whole Olaybact tube, you definitely use it for a 250 gram to 300 gram cream. That's, you are using the whole of this pack. Okay, they always advise that you wash your hand after using it. Definitely you want to put it inside your mouth after I use. Another thing about this brand, it has kiddies and teens lotions. Okay, this one I haven't hopped on yet. So this is they have kiddies and teens lotion, definitely for people that, you know, your kids have very sensitive or mild skin, like babies or teens. You want that glowy nice complexion for your kids, you can definitely get the Kiddies Glow Lotion. Okay, for you to be one of these products for me, because it's you. I think this product retails for about 400 naira in the market for a tube. That 300 or 400 depending on who you're buying from. So it's something that you don't want to pay so much to get to you, because you can get it around you. So for this giveaway, I'm going to be giving it to subscribers that are within Abuja. The delivery is going to be free. Delivery is on me. I'm just going to be giving this to my subscribers. Okay, leave a comment in the comment section below, and there's this app that helps pick at random. So please, when you leave a comment in the comment section, please indicate that you're based in Abuja. Just say whatever comment you want to leave, just put based in Abuja in your comment, and I'll use that app that just randomly picks. And so if you are picked, you just send me your address, your information. My information is in the description box. You can just send me a message and I'll have this delivered to you within Abuja. So this is only for my subscribers that are within Abuja. I'm so sorry, Lagos people or Kaduna people or people that all over the world. I'm so sorry, but it's just a really small package. This is just my way of giving back to my subscribers. It's really small package. It's like 300 400 naira. So it's too much of a hassle to pay for way bill just to get a product of 300. I hope that makes sense. So Abuja subscribers, this one is for you. Just leave your comments in the description box. Leave I'm in Abuja, and reach out to me via WhatsApp and I will get out to you. Okay, so when you leave your comment, just indicate I'm in Abuja, and if the app randomly picks you, I'll reply your comment and say, hey, you won so and so. Send me a WhatsApp message, and then we can move on from there. Okay, so guys, this is my review of the Olaybact tube. I encourage you to get one for yourself if you're into pro-mixing, or you have rash, or you're having inflammatory breakouts or something. I would definitely recommend you getting one of these for yourself. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.